Thanos. You could destroy life on Earth.
We're gonna need some help.
Together, is our only hope.
It's pretty amazing to be here. Yeah, we've got, you know, everywhere you look, you see a star from the Marvel Universe. It's been 10 years in the making, this film coming together. It's truly an unprecedented cinematic event. And yeah, I know we're all thrilled to be here.
It's so crazy, man. And even for like Robert Downey Jr., this is crazy. That's how crazy this is. I was with him earlier, I'm like, how are you feeling, man? He's like, dude, this is insane. And when Robert Downey Jr. says something's insane, it's definitely going to be a crazy day.
To be a part of it in any shape or form is a blessing. I got to say, there's a real nostalgic kind of vibe going on, I feel, and emotional more than any other film or premiere I've been to.
The Russos have somehow magically honored like all these separate franchises in one single film. It's kind of crazy how they did it.
Ready? Let's go.
I'm looking forward to seeing how this months upon months of secrecy has now, you know, been pieced together and come together, so really excited about it.
These movies are very communal for us. Everyone that we work with is like a family. We love all the actors. We love Marvel, Disney. It's a great experience when we all get to come together and share these movies. That's really why we make them, is because we love sharing them with the fans.
They've never seen all of their favorite characters interact, and that's, I think, what's special about this movie. Also, they've never seen a villain like Thanos before, and we're very excited for audiences to experience him.
It's pretty amazing to go all over the world and see the same enthusiasm and love and support, you know?
You know, Marvel fans are the best, and when you see that around the world, you know it's a good family to be part of.
I'm in full anticipation right now because we haven't seen it. There's a lot of stuff that we don't know. The anticipation is huge, even with the actors.
I can't wait. I cannot wait. This is the first time in my life that I've done press and I've gotten this far without seeing the film that I'm in. So I've been a nervous wreck all weekend, but I've also been super excited, like any fan, to see it.
Nobody's seen the movie. I don't know how the Russo brothers, who lets them get away with this, and actually did it without giving anybody the full script. So.
Almost exactly 10 years ago, we were right in the same spot debuting Iron Man 1. The notion that in 10 years we would be on film number 19, having introduced so many of the iconic characters and now culminating in a film like Infinity War, it's overwhelming, and I actually still can't believe it.
The end is near. When I'm done, half of humanity will still exist.